Hey, so not far from our hotel is the money exchange here in Singapore. Again, we are here in Bencoolen Street and we are doing some money exchange. Money exchange rate. We'll be putting in the rate later on how much the money exchange is. Ta-da! Okay.
Just to change all the loose money. The, what do you call it? How much?
This one is Australia and Japanese yen. Japanese is $8.80, Australia is 76 cents. So together 85. This one is Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
Wait.
Do we have enough money to eat?
This is a lot.
God, yes. Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And you got to eat a good food.
Food.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you.